Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with another makeup tutorial. And I want to I'll say, if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. I am Nesha. I am a makeup hoarder. I'm obsessed with makeup, so if you are a lover for makeup or are obsessed with makeup like I am, or if you want to live in my fantasy world of makeup, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and click the notification bell as well, so that way you will get notified every time I upload a new video. For today, we got a makeup tutorial, and yes, I'm using this palette again. I think I'm gonna make a little mini playlist of me using this palette. So if you guys want to check the description box, because this will be my third time doing a look using this palette, yes. So check the description box. I will have a little mini playlist going on of all the looks that I did using this beautiful palette. Oh gosh. And just in case you guys been sleeping on a rock, let me show y'all what this beauty looks like. Look at that. She is gorgeous. But anywho, I used this palette to achieve this look, and of course, I've added some glitter because, you know, I need some glitter. I haven't done a glitter look in a while, so I did it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, this is a full face tutorial. Check the timestamp in the description box just in case you want to skip a certain area. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about today's look. But anywho, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course, keep on watching. Hi loves, like always, I did prep and prime my eyes off camera, and we are now using this palette, y'all. This is like the third or fourth time we're using this palette. I love this palette, but I'm going to go in with this pink. This is going to be my first crease color, my transition color, whatever you want to put in that plate. But I'm going to take this color and I'm going to blend it in my crease. Alright, so once I have that blended to my liking, I'm now going to go in with the second color, and I'm going in with this matte purple, and I'm going to place this right underneath that pink. Try not to go as high as I did with that pink because I do want the pink to still show through with this look. And then of course I'm going to now go in and cut it. I always do a half cut crease because I just like how those look on my eye shape. But if you want to go all the way across, more than welcome to do so. But I'm just doing a half cut crease. And then I'm going to go in with this yellow, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if you don't have this palette, I definitely recommend for you guys to get this palette. This colors, the payouts, everything is so creamy. It's so smooth. Colors are very vibrant. And this yellow is like my favorite color in the palette, so that's why I wanted to do a staple look just using this beautiful yellow. Like, look how pigmented it is. It is gorgeous. But I want to place that all over my lid. To clean up the outer part, I'm now going to go back in with that purple, and I'm going to place it right in the outer, and I'm going to go back and forth with the yellow and the purple eyeshadow just to make sure that I am blending the two together. My glitter mix, I went in with my Glow Up Academy glitter, and then this one I got from like Amazon like 4 or 5 years ago, but I just mixed the two together, and I'm going to place it on the lid. And y'all, this glitter is beautiful. I definitely wanted the glitter to pop, but I definitely did not want it to overshadow the eyeshadow because I still want that beautiful vibrant yellow eyeshadow to show through. And you can definitely wear this look without the glitter. It's still gorgeous, still beautiful, but I just love glitter as well, so I felt like this was a perfect excuse to use glitter, especially yellow glitter. Okay, like I don't use that, I don't think, at all, but definitely is feeling everything about this look. Alright, going to start off with a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer slash primer, so you're getting both in this combination. So I really love this Poreless freaking green tea primer. It is amazing. And now I'm going to go in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX Primer. This is going to give you your matte finish, okay? And this primer is sticky, icky, okay? Like, it, once you put the foundation on, it is not budging, it's not moving. It is amazing. And of course, y'all see that I'm going in with my e.l.f. foundation. I am really like loving this foundation. I was just really surprised for the price point for it, and then the coverage, the color, the finishing, like everything about this foundation is amazing. So of course, putting that all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so next I'm going in with my e.l.f. Deep Cinnamon Concealer. This is Camo Edition. I like the Camo more than the hydrating one because Camo concealers are a little bit more thicker and more of a full coverage. The hydrating one is more of a satin finish. So I got that question, I think, like a few videos back. So I just wanted to go ahead and quickly tell you guys the difference with the e.l.f. concealer. So make sure if you guys are looking for a full coverage, it's called the 16-Hour Camo. If you want more of a natural finish, then definitely go for the hydrating concealer. I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Alright, so now I'm going in, I'm with my beauty blender, and now I'm blending out my contour part. And I love doing this cream highlighting contour first, and then I go in with my powders and stuff. I really love that method. But today I decided that I did not want to start off with my powder. Being that I just used that concealer and stuff underneath my eyes, I felt like it was perfect for me to go ahead and apply my lower lash line color, because we got that concealer on and it's going to make it nice and vibrant. So I'm going to pop that to the lower lash line. And then I'm adding my black pencil into my waterline. Alright, now for my highlight part for my setting powders, I'm going in with my Black Beauty setting powder. I will have the correct name in the description box, but I really love this setting powder because it definitely lifts your concealers and make it a little bit more of a vibrant highlight. So this is just everything. It's perfect. And now I'm going to go in with Cocoa Kisses, and I'm going to simply put this all over my face to set the whole entire face. And this is amazing. It gives you that airbrush finish. Definitely another steal. I love, 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 love this powder. Alright, now going in with this e.l.f. Putty Blush. I really am starting to like this. I definitely want to go and see if they have another like deep shade, but these are really nice. The more that I start to use them, the more I'm starting to like them and learn how they, you know, build up and how you can blend them and how natural they look on your complexion as well. These are really, really a good mixture. So I definitely recommend if you guys are looking for a new style of blush. Cream blushes is where it's at, especially these putty ones, because like I said, they're going to give you that natural blush feel. You guys seen how much I put on, and even after me blending it out, which is that brush, it definitely gave me more of a natural blush. And then for this lipstick, honey, if I can snap my fingers right now, this lipstick color is everything. This is by LiveGlam. I will have a sign up link if you guys want to sign up with LiveGlam The lipsticks are amazing. You're getting 3 different color of lipsticks every single month for $19.99. You cannot beat that. The formula is amazing. Coverage is just everything. So definitely check that out if you guys want to sign up with LiveGlam. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, making sure that the pencil that I use in the lipstick is blended out nicely. And then I'm going to go in and pop some gloss on. And I am using my e.l.f. plumper. I think it's the Chocolate Mint is the name of this one. But now I'm going to end, what? Now I'm going in with a pigment. And this is a nice neon like yellow pigment. But of course the lighting and everything is making it look like it's a little bit of a green. But it's basically the same shade of an actual yellow highlighter. So I am just popping that in my inner tear because I feel like I needed an extra pop of color, and I felt like this would go perfect. It was different, and boom, there you go. I hope you guys like this look. I absolutely love it. I had this picture on Instagram for like 2 weeks. It blew up. Y'all loved it, so I'm sorry for uploading this so late, but I just had so much to do, you guys. You know, life happens. So here it is. I really do hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course I'll be back in another video. Thank you again. Mwah.